In this video, I will show you how you can increase the health when the health is decreased. For example, we have a pickup health in here. If we pick it up, look at the health. It's 10 now. And the maximum health is 10, so it won't go more than 10. Let's see how we can do that in this video. We go to BP health. This BP health will increase the health of the player for certain amount, and we want to save that certain amount in a variable. So in here I will call it amount, and the type of it I want it to be float or integer, doesn't matter. For example, this one I wanted to increase our health by 2 points. We can make this instance editable, so whenever we go to our level and click on this BP health, we can change the amount. For example, right now it is 2, we can increase it just in here. When we, for example, just duplicate it, put it over here, this one we wanted to increase our health by 5. So if you pick up this one, it will add 2 points to our health. If you pick up this one, it will increase the health by 5 points, right? Now, how we can increase the health? By picking these up. We can go to BP health, and on the box, we want to create the on component begin overlap. Just put it there, and we want to check if it is player that beginning overlap with this box. We can use cast to BP player. This casting to BP player, because BP player always will be on RAM, it will be optimized. Don't worry to cast to the BP player if you want, right? So in here, no, we know that the player is colliding with this BP health, but how the player can pick it up? We can create a function inside our player. So go to blueprint, go to player, and open up the BP player. In here I want to create a function. I want to call it increase health, right? And this function I wanted to have an input that is called amount. So create an input in here and call it amount. The type of it, as you know, it should be float. Now with that done, we can get our health like this, add the amount to it, so add it like this. And no, we don't want to let the health to get more than max health. How we can do that? We can say if this is more than max health, just put it as a max health, but the other way that is more optimized is to use min float node. What this will do, if we connect the max health to this pin, for example, the health is 2, and we want to add 2 to that health. It will be 4, right? So it will give us 4 in here. The max health right now it is 3. If we compare 4 to 3, it will give us 3 at total, because minimum between 3 and 4 is the 3. So this node won't allow this increased health to go more than max health. After this, we can set the health in here, right? Set it like this. And for updating the UI, if you remember, we have a function for it, update health UI. Just drag and drop it, connect the execution pin to it. Now with that done, we can pick up the health, but I want to change the max health to, for example, 10 points, so we can increase it later. Now with that done, our function is ready and we can use it. We can go to our BP health. When we cast to the player, we can use the increase health, right? The amount is the amount that we have in here, right? That's it. That's all we need to do. Now let's just go to our level, add some enemies. So go to blueprint, enemies, meteor, and put some of these big meteor. Hold Alt, you can duplicate it. Now let's just test it. If you run, if they hit us, the health will be decreased. No, the health is 8. If you go forward and take this one, it will be 10. Beautiful. Now next thing that we want to do after we increase the health, we want to destroy this health, right? So destroy actor. Now next thing that I want to do, I want to play some audio. So in here, before destroying, we can just play a sound, play sound 2D, right? And the sound that I want to play is a part of engine. So click in here if you don't have all of this audio, and tell it to show the engine content and plugin content. Select both of them. In here, if we search for VR, there are some things in here that we can use. Go down, VR click 3, VR click 2. These are just part of Unreal Engine. We can use them as well. Now let's just hit compile, and now if we go, let's just wait until they help us. Cool. You can see when we pick something, it will have some sound as well. Beautiful.